So now welcome students in the online classes presented by Chandra Public School, Mau. I am Salesh Kumar Yadav and today I am going to start the second chapter, that is the polynomial. So before going for the exercise, here I am going to explain the certain definition related to the polynomial. So here I am going to explain what is the polynomial. An algebraic expression of the form an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 up to a1x plus a0 is called a polynomial if x is a variable, n is a positive integer, and a0, a1, a2 up to an are real numbers. Polynomial are generally denoted by, that is, px, fx, gx, etc. So here first I am going to define that what is that definition. Here it is given that an algebraic expression, all of you are familiar with the algebraic expression, and algebraic expression contains certain variable terms and numerical value, that is the combination of variable and numerical value. So here whatever the definition is given there, it is given an, here you are going to get that is an minus 1, a1 and a0. So here these are the coefficient of the variable. So here these will be the real numbers, that may be any real numbers. So these are real numbers, and after that you are going to get x power n, x power n minus 1, x. So these are the variable term. Here whatever the variable terms are there, their exponent should be non-negative. Yeah, you can say that that will be positive integers. Positive integers, it means ki exponent of variable should be the integer and that should be non-negative. Yeah, you can say that that should be positive integer. So here I have taken the certain example of a polynomial. So now here I am going to explain the certain examples. Here examples are given, that is a polynomial I have written here. The polynomial is 3x power 5 minus 2 by 3x cube plus 2. Here if you are going to match with the definition, that is given 3x power 5, here 3 is the you can say the real number, x it is the variable and its exponent is plus 5, that is the positive number. Then minus 2 by 3, that is the real number, x is the variable and its exponent is positive integer. Now plus 2, so that is the polynomial. In the same way I had taken the another example, that is gx. I had explained that polynomial are generally represented by px, gx, fx. So here gx equal to 1 by 3 x power 7 minus root 3 x square plus 5 by 2x. So that is the another example of the polynomial. So these are the examples of the polynomial. Now I am going to explain that what is the terms. So here terms in a polynomial, I have taken an example of the polynomial, that is x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 3. The expressions x cube, 3x square minus 2x and 3 are known as the terms of the polynomial. So here in that definition example you will get that x cube, 3x square, 2 minus 2x plus 3. These are the terms of the polynomial. In this polynomial, number of terms equal to 4. You can count that total number of terms are 4. Here x cube first, second 3x square, third minus 2x and fourth plus 3. Now you can say that the terms are separated by the positive या negative sign, या plus या minus. So you can count the number of terms that are separated by plus या minus. So these are the terms. Now I am going for the coefficients. In a polynomial, I have taken an example of the polynomial 3x cube plus 2x square minus 5x plus 4. The coefficient of x cube. Here you are getting that x cube in that example. What is the numerical value before x cube? That is 3. So 3 is the coefficient of x cube. Now here again given x square. So before x square you are going to get the numerical value plus 2. So here you can say that plus 2 is the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x here? So its numerical value is minus 5 before the x. So the coefficient of x is minus 5. So the coefficient will be the real numbers that are existing between the before the uh, variable terms. So the coefficient you will take with the sign. If it is positive, then coefficient will be positive, and if it is negative, then the coefficient will be negative. So that is called the coefficient. Now I am going for the standard form of a polynomial. A polynomial, when written either in ascending power of x or descending power of x, is called the polynomial in standard form. Generally we write the polynomial in descending power of x. So whatever the polynomial is given, if you are going to write according to the that exponent in the ascending or descending order, that polynomial is called in the standard form. Here I have taken an example. The example is given a polynomial px equal to 3x square minus 5 by 2x power 7 plus 3x power 4 plus 2x. If I am going to ask that what is the standard form of this, then you can take here the highest exponent of x is 7. Here it is the highest exponent. So I am going to write it in the descending order of the exponent. So here I have written first minus 5 by 2 x power 7. After that you are going to get that after 7 the next highest exponent is 4 x power 4. So it will be written in the second place, then plus 3x power 4. After that the next highest exponent is x square, that is 2. So after that you will write plus 3x square. Then in the last the x power 1 is there, so plus 2x. So it is the standard form of the polynomial. If you are going to write the any polynomial according to the exponent in the ascending or descending order, that is called the standard form of the polynomial. So that is the standard form of the polynomial. Now I am going to explain degree of a polynomial. What is called the degree of a polynomial in one variable? For a polynomial of one variable, the degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable. So in any polynomial, if it is asked that what is the degree of the polynomial, so check that what is the highest exponent. So here in that I have taken an example here. In this example you are going to find that x power 7, that is the highest exponent is 7. So the degree of this polynomial is 7 here. So the degree of the polynomial will be the highest exponent is called the degree of the polynomial. Now here I am going to explain the types of polynomial based on the degree. Here on the basis of degree, the polynomial are categorized in the certain parts. Here I am going to explain each and every. First one, constant polynomial. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Each and every constant numbers are the polynomial of degree 0. Here I have taken the certain number 6, 1 by 2. Any real number, that is the polynomial of degree 0. So that's why it is called the constant polynomial. Now second one is the linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Degree 1 means highest exponent should be 1. So here you are going to get that in I have taken the example 2x, so x power 1. It means its degree is 1. Next I have taken an example 3x plus 5. Here x power 1, if there is no any exponent of x, it means it is the exponent is 1. So its degree is 1. 4t minus 3, here t power 1 is there, so that's why its degree is 1. So it is called the linear polynomial. Now third one, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. I have taken certain example like 3t square minus 5 by 4t. Here you are going to find that highest exponent of t is 2. It means its degree is 2. So that's why it is called the quadratic polynomial. Now next one is the cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Here if the degree is 3, that is called the cubic polynomial. Here you are going to get the example 2x cube, 3t cube plus 4t square. In each of these example you are going to get that highest exponent is 3. That's why these are the cubic polynomial. Now next one is the biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called the biquadratic polynomial. I have taken the certain example here. 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x square plus 5. it is a polynomial in which highest exponent is 4, so its degree is 4, so that's why it is called the biquadratic polynomial. Now types of polynomial based off number of terms. Now here I had explained the types of polynomial based on degree. Now I am going to explain the types of polynomial based on the number of terms. Now first one is the monomial. So now first one is the monomial. A polynomial having one term is called a monomial. That is, if you are going to get any polynomial in which only one term is there, that is called the monomial. I have taken certain example. Here it is 5x to 3 by 2y, 3 minus 2 by 70. These are the monomials. Now next one is the binomial. Now in the binomial, a polynomial having two unlike terms is called a binomial. So in the binomial, two terms will be there. I have taken the certain example like x plus 3. Here you are going to get that x plus 3, how many terms are there? Two terms. In the next 5x square minus 3x, two terms are there. So these are called the binomials. Now third one, trinomial. A polynomial having three unlike terms is called a trinomial. Now I have taken the certain examples. Here you can find that in this polynomial three terms are there, 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Here you are having three terms, 3y power 4 minus 2 by 3y plus 7. So if a polynomial having three terms, that is called the trinomial. Now next one is the zero polynomial. A polynomial of having 0 as the only term is called the zero polynomial. It means 0 is called the zero polynomial. So 0 is separated. Reason is that the degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. It means that 0 only a number is 0, that is called the 0 polynomial, and leaving that 0, rest of the other numbers are called the constant polynomial. So 0 is called the here 0 polynomial. So thank you students. So these are the certain definition based on the polynomial. So in the next class I will discuss on the exercise questions. So thank you.